Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mudia and I like to keep it simple. So on the 26th of September, I got a very good buy on Btcusd, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how I got that buy, my thought process, and the reason why I executed the trade. So as you can see, this is a 4 hours time frame, but it's not advisable to take your trades without understanding the higher time frame narrative. For that, I like to start my analysis on daily. So what's currently happening will be clear to me in the daily time frame. So here we have Bitcoin breaking structures to the downside, which is more like a bearish correction. For the last break of structure was at this point, and the lowest point we got to was 49,430, and then we started to see a push to the upside, which is a bullish move. And on this particular day, I spotted Bitcoin around 63,000, and upon my analysis, I anticipated Bitcoin will come to 62,000. I use the word anticipated because trading is futuristic. You have to know this as a trader. Trading is futuristic. You only need to follow your trading plan, your approach, and then you execute your plan. And the outcome is not determined by you. That is why you have to also manage your risk. So now we've seen already that Bitcoin has been pushing to the upside. So in that case, I would want to buy. Okay, that was my bias. Then upon coming down to 4 hours, I was just trying to find a good structure point to buy from. I trade structure actually. I was looking for a good structure point to buy from. So I would make a replay of the trade here, and the trade triggered on the 26th of September. So when I came on my chart in 4 hours, I saw this. I could see that market broke structure to the upside, and a lot of people will be interested in buying from this area, right? So I knew that so much money is around here, around this area, which means I want to have my entry below the pool of money, the thing most traders call liquidity. So that was the trade, very simple. And then I mark out my area of interest, which is where I want to take my trade in the discounted zone. So the trick is that you shouldn't buy when price is high, right? Especially when you see a break of structure already to the upside. You don't want to buy. You want to patiently wait for price to retrace back to cheap price, and then you buy it back up. So it's just like basic economics. You don't want to buy when things are expensive. You want to buy cheap. So with that logic, I simply have my entry down here at the bottom, below the liquidity pool, of course. It was a long entry, so I had it here, and I did 1:5 around this trade. So basically, with a $60 risk, I was able to make $303 on this trade, and it was a very smooth and fast trade. I think it took just 4 candles or 5 to hit the peak. So it was basically like 5 arrow. And after the trade, Bitcoin kept pushing up. Yeah, it was here. Okay, that was a trade, and Bitcoin kept pushing up. And would I say I'm regretting I closed? Of course not. So that is trading. So basically, what you are going to get from this video is the fact that the analysis should always start with a bigger time frame perspective. And when you have your setup, you have to be confident, and you should trade your plan. All right, you should have what you have to check, like a checklist, before you execute your trade, and you trade your plan. And also, when you execute the trade, even if the trade keeps flying even after hitting your TP, that's not your business, because you already defined your risk and you also define your take profit. So if the trade keeps flying, you keep looking for opportunities to continue with the trend, and always never trade against the trend. So if you want to benefit from this kind of trades, I have trades Forex and derivative synthetic. If you want to benefit from this kind of trade, the link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video. check it out and take some of the trades with me and also make money. It's absolutely free. There's no hidden charge. Just click the link and join my Telegram channel where I share trades for free. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.